Your Grand Prix Series chair is packed in 2 boxes. Unpack the chair, which is boxed in the full recliner position. You can pull the side handle to put the chair in the upright position. Be careful, it is spring-loaded and may fold up very quickly. The second box is filled with the following chair components: a seat mount with a shifter knob, adjustable height armrests, chair base with wheels, a brake caliper and rotor, a shock and coil, and the provided nuts and bolts. Begin by turning your chair face down. Position the mounting plate on the seat bottom. The adjustment knob will face the front of the seat bottom. Insert and tighten 4 bolts with flat washers and lock washers to secure the mounting plate. Use the 2 longer screws included with the hardware on the rear holes of the seat. Next, position the armrests on the bottom of the seat and secure with bolts, flat washers, and lock washers. The armrests are side-specific, so make sure the wide part of the armrest faces forward. Snap the wheels onto the chair base if necessary, and position the brake caliper over the base. Insert the chair post shock into the wheelbase with the narrow end facing up. Attach the coil onto the chair mounting plate using the coil spring attachment clip. Lower the chair and coil over the mounting post shock and wheelbase. Insert the shock into the chair base socket. Compress the seat down to make one complete chair unit. Depress the button on the side of each armrest to adjust them to one of 3 desired heights. The shifter knob serves a couple of different functions. Carefully lift out of the chair while pushing the shifter down to lift the chair into a comfortable position. Carefully press the shifter down to compress the chair into the lowest position. Pull it out to allow the chair to rock back. Push it in to lock the chair in place. Rotating the adjustment knob on the bottom of the chair will increase or decrease the resistance of forward and back motion. Use the lever on the left side of the chair to adjust the seat back. Your new Grand Prix Series chair is fully assembled and ready to use.